In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Notion databases. Freezing columns is a quick way to keep your most important information visible while you navigate wide tables. If you manage tasks, projects, or inventory with lots of properties, this helps you avoid losing sight of key columns like name status or due date as you scroll. First, open your database in a table view. This feature only works in tables, not in board, calendar, timeline, or gallery layouts. So make sure you are looking at rows and columns in that classic spreadsheet-style view. If you are in another layout, switch back to a table so the freeze option becomes available. Next, move your mouse to the header of the column you want to keep in place. The header is the label at the very top of the column. Hovering there is your cue that you are targeting the right spot. And it tells Notion you are about to adjust settings for that specific property. Then, click directly on that column header to open its options menu. You'll see choices related to the property type and how it displays. This is the same menu you might use to rename a property or change its format. And it's also where the freezing control lives. From this menu, choose Freeze Up to Column. The moment you select it, Notion will lock the chosen column and every column to its left, so they stay anchored on the screen. As you scroll horizontally through the rest of the table, those frozen columns remain visible on the left, while everything to the right scrolls as usual. This is perfect for keeping reference fields, identifiers, or priority tags in constant view, while you explore more detailed properties off to the right. A few tips as you use this. Pick the leftmost column you always want to see, such as the main page title or a key identifier, and freeze up to that point so everything essential stays pinned. If you don't immediately see the freeze option, double-check that you are in a table layout since other views don't support freezing. Keep in mind that freezing helps with readability and navigation. It doesn't change your data, formulas, or filters, so it's a safe way to improve how you work with large data sets. And when you are scrolling horizontally, consider using your trackpad or holding Shift while you scroll to move left and right more smoothly. That's all there is to it. Open your database in a table view, hover over the column header. Click the header to open the options, and select Freeze Up to Column. With just a couple of clicks, you can keep critical information front and center while working through even the widest tables in Notion. Thanks for watching.